is going to trigger some people, but if by now you have been watching my gele post and you don't know how to tie your gele, that means you are lazy. Yes, I said what I said. You are very lazy. Welcome to the Alpha Glam. My name is Ifeoluwa. I am a pro makeup artist and your go-to person for everything beauty, skincare, gele, and lifestyle. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to tie gele. I'll be teaching you how to tie your Ankara scarf. I have different videos on this YouTube channel, and I believe by now, if you are really passionate about learning how to tie your Ankara scarf or your gele yourself, you should know how to. Right now, I'm going through this first tie. I'm sorry that my head is covered. I'm just trying to make sure everything is in order. So I'm trying to tie it in the front. You tie it using the length. When you tie it there, you want to make sure it is secured properly. Guys, this clip that I have, it was in the night. I made this video in the night. I was like, oh, my makeup is too fine and I don't want it to go to waste. What can I do with it? And I just started to just tie more gele styles. Well, people will call it gele, some people will call it Ankara headwrap. I just started to tie something else, and that is why we have these clips. Now that I have even been blank and I don't know what content to create, this video is what is going to save me today. So right now, after securing it and make sure it is very tight, I'm going to secure the edges at different sizes. As you can see right here, I'll be putting it beneath what I secured. So you want to make sure you do that appropriately and it is firm and tight. Very, very important, guys. You also want to make sure that your Ankara scarf is very neat. And this is why I'm saying this thing might trigger some people, because these styles are very simple styles. I get comment on most of my videos about people recreating the Ankara styles or the gele styles I have posted on this video. And they look amazing when they show me. I'll be like, wow, you even did it better than I that created this style. So if you don't know how to do it, you are certainly lazy. So this is our first style, and this is how it looks like. This is me trying to secure it and make sure it looks good. Like I will always emphasize, your neatness is also what makes your gele fine. It's also what makes your Ankara wrap come out beautifully. If you don't make it neat, it will look weird, and you don't want that. Yeah, so this is our first style, and this is how I look. Then I'll also turn to the back so you can see that the back too is totally neat. So yeah, I was just feeling myself. I had to put on my ring light because it was getting really dark, and of course I want you to see everything that I did. And guys, if you like this makeup on my face, I have a video of it. It is on my YouTube channel. Yeah, so kindly watch my makeup videos. They are very detailed, and there's no how you will learn how to do your makeup when you watch my videos. Yes, so right here I'm just trying to make sure that the gele is really secured on my head, and yeah, doing a lot of paparazzi and all, and that is it. Then we'll be jumping right into our second style. For our second style, it is just what I did but in the reverse. Yes, the first style, you remember that I tied the gele towards the front. Right now I'll be tying it towards the back. If you want to get more details about how I tie all this gele, you can check my recent Ankara styles. I also posted a tutorial showing you how to tie your Ankara scarf, and it was much more detailed than this. This was like, I created this video like I stated in the evening, so I did not put in so much energy like I did to that. So right now I have secured it at the back, and it is very tight, and you can see it's beautiful already. Then I will just be using my hands to form pleats, just not too much, 3 or 4 pleats, just to make sure it looks beautiful in front. So you just want to pull it to the front carefully. Make sure the back is secured, because that is very important. If it is not secured, you would not like the outcome of the gele. And that is why most of these styles I will call unconventional geles, some of them look a bit rusty. They don't look so nice, and that is because the neatness is not there. Everything you want to do, just make sure you arrange it well and you make it neat. It will be fine. I'm serious. That's an hack to all these things. Your makeup too. If you are doing your makeup and you feel like you're not getting it, just make sure it is neat. If it is neat, you are good. So right now, after creating this plate, I'll just be twisting it at the back. And once I am done twisting it, I'll turn it around. So just like I said, this is like the reverse gele of what I did in style 1. So once I am done twisting it, I'll roll it round the back. Yes, as you can see, the pleats are going off, but it is not so bad because of the way I'm pulling it. So when you are doing your own, you don't want to pull it with so much force so that the pleats won't go off. Yes, so I just make sure that I secured it firmly at the back and it looks neat. Then the ones that I can pull, I pulled it. The one I could not pull, I just left it alone. Yeah, there are some fights that belongs to God. You don't need to drag it too much, because looking at it now, it still looks good, right? Yeah, so this is our style too. Very easy, very fantabulous, very nice, and I like it. It's making me look like a northerner. Yeah, giving a northern vibe. This is it for our style too. And right now I will turn around so you can see how lovely it looks at the back. Yes, you are good to go with this type of gele or Ankara headwrap. Yes, it is gele, we call it gele generally. Yeah, yes, so you are good with this. And yes, this is this for style too. So right now, instead of just taking it off and just loosening everything like I did in the previous one, I'll just twist the hand again, make sure it is tighter, then just put it on top. Yes, so I recreated this style in one of my videos earlier, but just me recreating it again, and yeah, it still looks good. And this is this for our style 3. Very easy, you just want to secure it at the back. Yes, and you're good to go. And this is everything I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this gele tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Yes, let me know if you like or you want to watch more of my gele videos. I was having a bit of issue trying to secure it, but you have to make sure you secure it and it is tight enough. And yes, I have done that, and this is it for my style 3. I hope you guys love it. Yes, this is our final look. I hope you enjoy watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.